everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be practicing again one more very easy mechanical 3D design. And before we jump into the design, let's understand about the 2D drawing. So we will first create the base. To create the base, we will see from the top view and create a center rectangle with a proper dimension. So without wasting the time, So first select the plane of your choice, then right click on it and select the sketch. Now I'll be starting with the top view. Here the rectangle value is 90 by 137. So let's make it. Using the rectangular center rectangle, I'm drawing it. I'm snapping on the origin. Now I have to make it constrained. So as it is placed on the origin, so just I have to provide the dimension. It is 135. Accept it, and this side the width will be, as per the drawing, it is 90. And accept it. So this much is completed. Now we have to make this drill hole, and the diameter of the drill hole is 16 as per the drawing. So we will do it together, so that by using the option called contour, we will just extrude it and we'll get the desired result. So let's see how to do it. So here I am just clicking on the circle and randomly drawing the circle, and then I'll be giving the diameter, that is as per the drawing it is 16. Accept it. Now from the center to this edge it is 22. And from this line to the center it is, I think 40, no, it is 45. No, this value is 40. Sorry. This is 40 and accept it. So now I will just mirror it. So here I am drawing a center line. Now I am clicking on the mirror entities. Click on it. Entities to mirror. That means what I want to mirror. I want to mirror this circular object. Next, mirror about with respect with this center line. I want to make the mirror. Accept it, and then now see my entirely sketch is constrained, and now I'll be exiting from the 2D sketch. So now I'll be clicking on the Extruded Boss. Click on it and select the rectangle. Now see here I'll be using this option select contour. If I deselect it, this drill hole will be created automatically. And now it is time to provide the dimension, that is the thickness of the rectangular object. This is 12 mm. So here I have to provide the value, that is 12 mm. Now we need to draw this closed region, and to do this region we need to look from the front view and draw the 2D sketch accordingly. After that, see here two closed region is there. One is this one, and another is this circular portion. We will draw it together in a same plane, and to draw this both the closed region we have to create a offsetted plane of a distance 45. So to start with, we have to create a offsetted plane. So to create the offset plane, first you need to select this reference geometry. See here it is reference geometry, and after that once you click it, there is an option called plane. See here it is called plane. Click on that. Then they are asking for the first reference. So this side is my first reference. Then I have to give the offsetted distance. As per the drawing, it is 45. Now it is moving towards the right hand side, but my desired result is towards the left hand side. So to get my desired result, you need to click the flip offset option. See, now my reference plane is placed exactly where it is required. So it is completely correct from this face or from this line till this plane. The distance is 45 mm. So my reference plane is created. I right click on it and enter into the 2D sketch. Now I have to I have to draw the next object's 2D sketch. So let's begin with that. I'll just randomly start drawing the 2D drawing. So here it is 12 mm. So specify the value. It is 12. Okay, and first I'll draw, then I'll provide the dimension. It looks like this. Yes, and from this end point till this vertex, it is 63. Accept it, and from this below edge till this vertex, it is 52. So I am selecting this origin and this vertex point, and I am making it as 52. Fine. Now I have to draw the circle. Randomly I am drawing the circle and make this line tangent with this circle. Now I have to provide the value. It is, as per the drawing, it is 40. The diameter is 40, and then from this end point till this center, it is 180. So from this vertex point till this center, it is 180. 180. Okay, fine. I think this much is correct. Now we have to make some more drawings to get a desired result. Now I'll be converting this top edge by using the convert entity. So quickly I'll do that. This edge and this edge. Accept it. Now I'll be drawing one big line. Straight line. See, now I'm making this line and the circle tangent with each other by giving the relationship. See, my circle is completely constrained. Now it looks like this, and I'll trim off the extra lines. So I have trimmed the line, and now I have to trim the circular portion, extra portion of the circle. Accept and accept. Okay, I have given the diameter twice, so I have to do. The closed region of number 1 is being created. Now we have to create the next region, that is circular region with the same plane. So to do that, just here click on the circle, snap on the center and click on the quadrant of the closed region. Right click and accept it. See, this portion is my region 1 and this closed object is for my closed region 2. I believe it is clear with you. Now I will quickly do the extruded boss. Click on the extruded boss and select this line. Now off the thin features, because thin features is not required in my case. I am just deselect it so that I'll off the option. Now at first I'll deselect all the option. Here I'll clear the selection. Now choose the desired region where you want to extrude. For my case, it is this region. First, I'll extrude the region 1 and then I'll extrude this portion, the circular portion. So click on this region. After clicking, specify this value. It is 10 mm. Enter and accept it. Okay, this portion is correct. Now from here, drop down the menu. Here my sketch is already visible. If your sketch is not visible, then right click on it, and then by using this eye symbol you can make your sketch visible or invisible. Now see, my sketch is invisible. I'm again right click on it and then click on this eye symbol to show my sketch or hide my sketch as per the requirement. Okay, now it is completely correct. Now extrude it. Select this circular region now. Okay, again off the thin features and deselect it and choose the required closed region. Here for my, I want to extrude this closed region. See, click on it, and now I have to calculate. Total distance is 18. So this side, the direction 1, this side it will be okay, from this face it is 10 plus 4 mm. That means one side it will be 10 plus 4 mm, and the direction 2 side it will be only 4 mm. So totally from this face to this face it is 18. I have calculated. I have created the circle on this face, like this face. So I am calculating from this face till this face it is 10 plus 4 mm, that is 14, and from this face to till this it is 4 mm. So totally it is 18 mm, and accept it. Okay, there is a extrude cut. I'll do that later. So after completing this object, we have to move on the next object, that is the width of the object. It's a rectangular object and it is 25 and the distance is 125. So let's see how to do it. So I'm selecting the same plane. You may select this face also, no problem. I'm selecting the plane and go to sketch. Now for the better understanding, click on display style and choose the hidden line visible so that I can draw it properly. So I'll start from this point and then draw a line and then this line, then just close the sketches. It is very simple one. You may use the convert entity as well. Here I am not using that. If you want, you can use, for this edge you can use the convert entity. So now I have to give the value as 125. That's it. It is very simple and the extrusion will be 25 mm. Now exit from the 2D sketch and click on the extrude. Now click on the extruded boss base and reverse the side and then specify the value as 25 mm. So my second object is also I have created my third object. Sorry, not second. My third object is also created. Now I'll just mirror this second object and then my 3D model will be completed. For that I have to create a symmetrical plane. So what you have to do, just again click on plane, reference plane, because I'm here I'll be creating a reference plane only. Then after that click on planes. Here you don't have to calculate anything, just select this face, then press Ctrl from your keyboard and then select this face. So the plane will be generated between the two faces. That means it is placed in 12.5 mm. Now very easily I will be able to mirror this part 2. Now select this object. First click on the mirror. First the reference plane, I have to select the reference plane. Then here it is features. Select the features. Drop down the menu and choose the features first. This is my first features and accept it. Okay. Next right click on it and this click on the features and then again choose this blue box to activate it and then select the extruded Boss Extrude 4. Now select it and accept it. See. Now it's placed perfectly. Now you hide the plane and now only one work is remain, that is I have to make one drill hole of a diameter 16. Just select this face, right click on it and then click on the circle, snap towards the quadrant so that it will show the center and click on the center and draw it. Accept and then exit from the 2D sketch. Now only use the extrude cut, select it and cut it. Accept. So this is all about my sketch and here I'll be providing the color. And this video is going to help the diploma and degree student for their college project. And if you think this video is helpful for your learning journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more information and learn more about Solidworks. So thank you so much to watch my video till this. Thank you.